Hello, and welcome to Cooking with C and T. I'm C,
And I'm T.
and we're making lemon bars.
Okay.
You got something to say?
Nothing.
Okay. Anyway, guys, so we're gonna start off by making the crust. My cameraman is getting on my nerves, but we're gonna start off by making the crust
You
What?
have a sister.
with 2 cups of flour and what the hell is this? Powdered sugar. I forgot how much powdered sugar, but you know, it is what it is. Put that in there, and then we got 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And we got stuck in there, but it's okay. Did I say we were making the crust?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You want to stir that all together? No, it don't matter. You need some.
Aerate it.
Hmm?
Aerate it.
I know. Might have to get a bigger bowl. But anyway, so then we're gonna cut in. Okay, I don't know if you guys ever made biscuits before, but you're gonna cut in some butter. So this is 3/4 of a cup of butter, and it says use, pastry blender, but don't nobody got no pastry blender. So you're gonna cut it in like this. And it's gonna take a while, and you're gonna do this until you get the consistency of cornmeal. And yeah, and when we're done doing that, because it's gonna take 20 years, we'll be right back and show you what it looks like. Okay, we're back, and this is our mixture. So see how it kind of looks like cornmeal a little bit. It's kind of like lumpy, something kind of sort of. Anyway, So then we're gonna take our pan. We greased it with butter. You can use shortening if you want. I don't know who uses shortening anymore, but it is what it is. So we're gonna pour the mixture
Into the ugly foil.
into the ugly foil. And we're just gonna flatten this out. Am I doing a bad job?
No.
I said Tiana's judging me.
No, it's just like some thick crust.
Yeah. So I'm gonna make this look a little bit more pretty, but y'all get the idea. It's crust. Y'all know what crust is. And you're gonna bake this in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. She knows everything. I don't. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, we're back, and now we're doing the filling. We got our pie mixture, or the crust. Yep, that's out of the oven. So now we're gonna do. I'll let you do it. We have 2 cups of sugar, 3 tablespoons of flour, and a teaspoon of lemon zest. So we're gonna put that in. You got it. And we're gonna stir that up. Huh? You can smell it? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, then we're gonna add in, we have 4 eggs. A 3/4 of a cup of fresh lemon juice, darling. And we got a 1/4, or no, it's not 1/4. Yeah, it is a 1/4 cup of half and half. And we're gonna stir that all up together until it's combined, and we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Ta-da! So we're back, we're done mixing it up. This is how our mixture looks. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, so then we're just gonna take this and try to carefully. Here we go. Did it go over the corner?
No.
Alright. So, ta-da! Got a little bit of our mixture, and we're just gonna put this back in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, so it's like 18 minutes or something like that. But anyway, we're gonna put those in. We'll show you what they look like when we come back. Alright, bye. Okay, so this is what they look like coming out of the oven. It looks like SpongeBob because I didn't smooth out the bubbles beforehand, but it's fine. We're gonna let this cool, and we're gonna come and put some powdered sugar on them, and I'll show y'all what they look like in the B-roll. But that's basically it for now. Thank you guys for watching my review with C and P. Love you guys. Bye.